Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, and today we are back again with a Christmas activity book. This time it is for age group 3 to 5 year olds. I've already uploaded a Christmas activity book for age group 6 to 7 years old. I'll post a link of that video in the description box. So now if you've been following my channel, you would know that I generally make my own worksheets. This is the first time I'm sharing a free downloadable printables that I have found on the internet, spent hours on it and just sharing it with you guys so that it helps you and saves your time. It is a very simple Christmas activity book which has been created in less than 10 minutes. This Christmas printable bundle is jam-packed with fun Christmas themed learning activities and Christmas games for kids age group 3 to 5 years old. You could use these as it is, or you could even staple all of these together to make a Christmas booklet for our kids to work through it. This booklet provides a collection of festive puzzles, quizzes and games that kids can enjoy on their own. So let's get started. The first page is Christmas lowercase letter tracing. These are really helpful for pre-writing activities and is a very easy and a fun page to start the book with. The next page is Design Your Own Christmas Sweater. With this activity, kids can use their imagination and bring out their creativity and have fun. Moving on to the next page is Cut and Paste the Missing Numbers. This cut and paste activities are a hit in our house and kids love doing these. The next activity sheet is Christmas Counting. These Christmas worksheets use pictures related to the holiday so our kids can enjoy, and they are so colorful and fun. All she has to do is count and write the number correctly. The next page is Christmas Pattern. This is again a cut and paste activity. She has to follow the correct pattern and stick the correct answer accordingly. Moving on to the next page, this is a very simple image related to Christmas. I have left this page as it is, or you can create your own page adding color by number, color by letter or color by alphabets. The next page is Christmas Counting to 20. Here again she has to count the objects and write the correct answer in the given place. The next page is Join the Dots. This is reindeer dot to dot. Here she has to join the dots from number 1 to number 10 and complete the picture of the reindeer. The next page is Count and Circle the correct answer. Here she has to count the objects and circle the correct answer given below. I just love how these pages are so colorful, festive, yet simple at the same time. The next page is Christmas Picture Maths, that is related to addition. She has to just count the pictures and write the answer. This page is about tricky words coloring. We are introducing new words every week to our 4-year-old, and this activity would be a nice little practice for her. Here she has to look at the letter and the color and color it correctly. The next page we've kept it very simple. It's a Christmas tree and she can decorate her Christmas tree as she likes. Moving on to the next page is Christmas Counting to 20. My daughter loves counting activities, so we have added another page to this activity book. This page is Color by Number. This Christmas Color by Number worksheet is not only fun and relaxing, it also helps in working on number recognition for the kids. Coloring is a mindful activity for little ones. As you can see, there are a number of activities in this book and most of them can be adjusted to the level of your kids. Moving on to the next page. The next page is Missing Numbers. Here she has to complete the missing numbers from 1 to 20. The next page also works on counting. It is a Christmas edition sheet. She loves doing worksheets like these. And the last page of the booklet is complete the pattern. Again, this is also a cut and paste activity. Complete the pattern is one of the best logical thinking activities for kids. So that's it. A very simple, very quick, under 10-minute Christmas activity book for age group 3 to 5 years old. I've also printed out these 2 sheets for her to color, draw and write and make her own Christmas cards. So these awesome printable Christmas activities can give you hours of entertainment. It is so simple. Download, print and begin. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel. Have a great day. Stay safe, keep smiling and happy holidays.